So today we finished this motorized job, this motorized roller shade job. And what's DIY Aidan doing? Are you asleep? Are you asleep? So, what are we going to show everybody today?
All the stuff that we did.
The stuff. What is the stuff?
The roller shades.
The roller shades.
Blackout roller shades and the gray roller shades.
The gray? Those are what? Screen shades?
Screen shades.
Yeah? Speak up because we have no mic today.
We got the blackout shades and we have the screen shades.
Cool. And how do they operate?
They operate by Motorized. They are motorized.
So those are the smart roller shades that we saw.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, well, let's see how they operate. So we put in a lockbox here because it's a public area. It's a leasing office, so we put a lockbox over it so that way nobody can get to it except for the people that want to get to it. So the top one, no, you leave it on there. You don't have to take it off. So push that one, yeah. Just push down. Okay, so what we just did is, and then go to number 2. Go to number 2. And number 2 is going down. Then go to 3. Right. Good. Wow. They all come down. Okay. And then blackouts. Dual shades. Blackout.